While eating out, the restaurant owner Yan heard the classmates talking about vehicle professional issues, so he stepped forward to ask if he could check his car. After discussing and analyzing with Boss Yan, Chen probably understood a series of problems with Boss Yan's car.
收下我吧，我想给你学开车。我已经教会你开车。
After returning to the dormitory, Chen disassembled and analyzed the braking system of Boss Yan's car, and Tam also pointed out the problems.
经过一晚上的研究讨论，张同学几人来检查杨老板的爱车。
The next day, Chen and others went to help Boss Yan check the braking system of the car. First checked the cold start of the car, checked whether the engine idle was normal, whether there was violent vibration, and then checked whether the clutch was stiff, whether the gear shift was smooth, whether the brake pedal was too hard, and whether the brake was stuck, and there was no problem. Then opened the engine compartment hood, checked the fuse of the brake system and the height of the brake fluid. Whether the brake fluid entered the water, the thickness of the brake shoe, whether the brake disc had oil, etc. And after a series of inspections, finally found out the problem and helped Boss Yan solve the problem. Chen and others conducted road tests with Boss Yan, and the problems reported by Boss Yan have been solved. The gear change is smooth, the braking is normal, and the driving is stable.
Darling, darling, can I call you darling? Everything about you makes me wonder why. Pretty day and night, shining bright light. Hold me, hold me. I'm falling for you tonight. Hey, my name's Drew. Can I make a friend with you? So curious about who is the guy you are texting to. I had never seen the girl who just like you.
Like me?
See in the first row, but still on the phone.
Hey, why so rude?
Boss Yan was very satisfied and expressed his gratitude to Chen and others.
开车了，我利用业余时间，我学习一些开车理论，我有啥不对了？我碍着你啥事儿了？
感谢大家观看，我们先去干饭。
God help those who stand in our way.